Good morning. Today is Tuesday, June 13th, 2023. I am here at Ortega River Marina, and this is Foreigner. So I'm going to take a minute real quick. You see how your water line is really clean right now? You have a bright colored hull, so you're going to notice when it gets dirty. Well, because of the time of year, it's going to start getting hotter. The water's already warm. This is going to get dirtier a lot quicker. So within about a week, maybe a week and a half, you're noticeably going to be able to see the dirt piling on the water line. So I just want you to know this is what the water line looks like now after the cleaning, but moving on in about a week to a week and a half, it's probably going to be dirty.
Okay, I believe it.
Thank you for choosing ES Dive.